Hi, it's Dr. Laura here with this week's blessing. May you stop burning to prove you shine. May you remember that light does not become more sacred because it is exhausted. May you release the urgency that says you must overextend to be worthy. May your body find a softer pace. May your heart find a steadier rhythm. May your spirit remember how to glow without strain. This week, may your energy return to you, not as a blaze you have to maintain, but as a steady light you can live by. Just saying thank you and namaste.